I will share with you some tips on how to answer questions and antonyms. First, beware of trick questions. Secondly, take note of positively or negatively charged words. Thirdly, eliminate answer choices that have no clear antonym. And lastly, use your knowledge of foreign languages. Now, you might encounter tricky questions. Now, beware of such questions. You might also have answer choices that are very similar, meant to mislead you. For example, you have the word restive. You've been asked to find the best antonym or the antonym for the word restive. Restive, it has the following options: A, patient; B, rigorous; C, deceptive; and D, active. The word restive is tricky because it sounds like it has something to do with rest. Therefore, D would seem to be the best answer or the best antonym. However, this is a trick. Restive actually means restless. The correct answer is patient, a good antonym for restless. So it is good to familiarize yourself with questions or words such as this, because you come across it lots of times in your common entrance questions. Another tip or another thing you can do is to take note of positively or negatively charged questions or answer choices. Now, it is possible to associate a word to be negative or positive. Now, try to discern whether a word is positive, negative, or neutral, because actually some words have no antonym, such as chair, table, and so on. For example, we have the word malignant. Now, malignant has the synonym mal, and mal means bad, so it connotes something negative, even if you don't know the meaning of the word. Now, we have the word malignant and the following options: A, honor; B, compassionate; C, downtrodden; and D, destitute. Now, let's go through the options and see how we can use the word charges to answer the question. A, honor, has a positive word charge, definitely. B, compassionate, is positive. C, downtrodden, down, connotes something negative. D, destitute, has des as the prefix. It connotes something negative. Now, after labeling each, you are left with two words: honor and compassionate. Now, since we know that mal means bad, so malignant and having the option choices A and B, honor and compassionate, you have narrowed down your options to two, giving you a 50-50 chance to answer that question correctly. Number 3, another thing you can do is to eliminate choices that have no clear antonym. This technique works on antonym questions better. So this is a great technique for answering questions on antonyms. Now consider the word rounded or state. Neither of these words have a clear antonym, while almost every word has a synonym. Remember, not all words have antonyms. Next, eliminate answer choices that are close synonyms to the given word. Spotting synonyms within the answer choices can be very valuable to you in answering questions because it narrows down your viable answer choices. If two answers have very similar meanings, then the correct answer is too ambiguous. Therefore, it is possible for you to eliminate these choices. But remember, there is a present or there is a choice. There is an answer choice that is correct. Next, use your knowledge of Romance languages. Now, remember that roots are similar in several languages. For example, the Spanish word malo means bad. This is a common root for many negatively charged words. For example, we have maligned, malignant, malapropism, malediction, malevolence, and so on. In addition, the Spanish word bueno means good. This is a common root word for positively charged words. We also have examples of bueno as good, such as benediction, benevolent, beneficial, and benefactor. But be careful. Sometimes questions will try to trick you by including root words that belie their true meaning.